So my question is, now I just moved to LA, and which is my next step to get my success? I understood about the unconditional happiness.
Right?
This is my answer, but I will ask.
Yes.
Can you understand
Yes.
me?
Yes.
So
You already know this, but you're going to say it for confirmation. Yes.
yeah, yeah, look at this.
Which means you don't know it quite as much as you're pretending that you do.
So I ask or not?
Certainly. Certainly.
So,
Yes.
yeah. Which is my next step to get my success in LA? I'm feeling. I know that I will get my success in LA, but I'm asking you.
Devour its beauty in every way you can.
Sorry?
Focus on the beauty of your environment in every way that you can. Immerse yourself, engulf yourself, surround yourself with as many wonderful aspects of the city, the music business,
Yeah.
the people, the beach, the sun. Do everything that you can to be in love with this and 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 in love with this. Do everything that you can think of to do in a day that will make you happy while you're doing it, because your intentions are already in your vortex. Your inner being already knows what you want and the path to it. So you just got to be as happy as you can be, so that you'll be in the receptive mode, so that you'll be ready for the idea. The ideas are being flowed to you all the time. You got to be happy to get the idea, to receive it, to understand it, and to feel enough momentum in it to say, this is what I'm going to do. If you can get it, that all you got to do is tap into that, you will never be discouraged again. You are only ever feeling a feeling of discouragement when you're not tapped into that. So our encouragement to you is do everything that you can do to just stay in this happy place. There are so many reasons to be happy. Esther was at the beach in Del Mar the other day, just sitting, gazing out the window, just pondering, asking. She knew she was in the receptive mode. She was so tuned in. She was feeling so good. She was just happy for no explicable reason, except that she was in the most beautiful place on earth on the most beautiful day with the most beautiful weather, in her new van with everything that she could possibly want to eat. Yeah. Conditions were really good. Conditions were really good. Conditions were so good she could not get the grin off her face. So she's doing a focus wheel just for the pleasure of positive thoughts flowing, and then looked up just as a pod of dolphins, five of them, just played in a circle right there in front of her, just played in a circle, just jumped out of the water, went under the water. For a while she couldn't see them at all, and she said, oh, you're hiding from me. And then they pop up over there, and then they'd pop up over there. First she thought they were migrating north, but then she realized they were just there playing, just there frolicking. She was a vibrational match. She felt just like they felt. They were equally happy, and there they were having the experience together. See what we're getting at? Now, she was in the receptive mode. She was in the receptive mode. So she looked up just at the right time. She wanted to run up and down the beach. There was a lady sitting in the car next to her that was looking down at whatever she was doing. Esther wanted to say, hey, 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 look out there. Hey, look out there. People walking by, nobody looking over there. Nobody looking over there. Esther saw 20 or 30 people in her very near vicinity. She wanted to get out there and say, hey, 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 look over there. Something really good that you want to see over there. And it wasn't just that they were bored because there are so many dolphins. It wasn't anything like that. You just want to be in the receptive mode so you don't miss the dolphins or any other ideas that are swimming around you, taking you to all of the happiness that you want and deserve. Yeah. Enough?
Enough. Yeah. Amazing.